Hello, what are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we get. You can throw in the towel or you can use it to wipe the sweat off your face. Which envelope or box has our quotes today? Let's pick this little one. You can't teach children to behave better by making them feel worse. When children feel better, they behave better. I am too full of life to be half loved. Yes, yes. Stop wishing things were better and be better. Move better and do better. That's a good reminder. Celebrate yourself. Nobody knows what it takes to be you. Isn't that the truth? Why be moody when you can shake your booty? Shake, shake, shake. I hope you choose people who choose you. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.